But it's sad and it's sweet and I knew it complete when I wore a younger man's clothes. Oh la 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 dee da, la 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 dee da, bum 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 bum. Sing us a song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight. We're all in the mood.
Everyone's live. Where the fuck are these people getting all these grenades?
They have a green fizzle bomb.
It might be purple. Or they're hanging off.
Dude, you're way too close to shoot with Polish.
I don't have a shotgun, so I'll hit him.
Yo, you can't use your rifle in here.
I can shoot it at 40. Oh, I guess not.
You can bang it.
Chandler, how do you have an angle on the doorway?
Yeah, I have this side.
Yeah, that was respawn, you're in. Can we clear this building? Let's clear out, guys. Oh, wait, we have a clear out. Let's move. Watch out. Oh, shit. Animation all right. Will got it. I got it.
Please move.
Push.
Yo, move. Watch out. There's a guy right behind that corner. That's Will.
Will just, no. Did Will not just let him go?
Fucking look at all of us.
There's a grenade though, somebody's dropping.
Good luck.
Great.
It's gonna be on YouTube, probably, hopefully, maybe.
Hey, guys, get your grenade.
Zach, give me your pistol.
Hey, Al, you wanna do something stupid? Kaylee, please move.
Purple, it's purple.
Kaylee, please move. Al, you wanna go do something stupid?
Hey, I'll go with you if you want to do something stupid.
Where'd you get a pistol?
I gave it to him.
It's mine! Get the fuck back.
It's my grenade!
Get up, medic!
There's no CO2 in there. I fucked up.
I'm a soccer player. Viva la Pinata.
I'm gonna be 1-5. Kaylee, watch out! Kaylee, of course, around my
I thought that was an enemy grenade. I was like, well, what the fuck?
Tell me one.
I can't see.
Soon.
We're all dead, dude. No vote.
Oh, shit. We're dead.
Yeah.
Now we're dead.
It's like Call of Duty.
What an idiot. There was just a ball of
Do we have any more grenades?
Where do we want a grenade?
We needed that nade for when we take.
Well, we can reload them.
And I'm fogged up, guys. I got nothing.
I need someone at Chandler. Move with me.
I need to go on fog. I'll be right back.
So I'm gonna get out of here then. They have this.
You guys just want me to go for it?
My pistol.
No, Kayla, I'm gonna shoot you.
Alright, which team? Is it multiple teams or is it just one?
Ref, move.
Hey, you guys want to peel out this door? They want to peel out this door and come around? They're over here. Let's peel out this door and peel around.
Where's my gun?
No, dude, it is weather, man. Is that a tornado?
Right here, right side. Right here.
Is that guy way out there? What is he doing? Oh, sorry. Watch out. Watch out.
Oh, sorry about that. Oh, shit. That's a big one.
He's going back. It's good. We're good.
What?
High low.
Hi. I prefer lows. Hi. This is gonna happen. Chandler, come here.
Where are they?
Okay, go. We're going. Right side.
We're going.
Wait, hold on.
Okay, you guys.
Right here behind me.
We're going that way.
Ready, set, go. I hit you before you hit me. Is that good?
We're dead.
Got it. Stay that way.
Round there. Clear the room.
Clear.
Wait there.
You're fine.
Alright, we're yellow.
Right here, right there.
Yeah. Let's grab our shit.
Alright.
Put the BBs in, and then we'll go grab your BBs, put them in. No, we'll put this one in last because I don't want BBs to fucking cause it to go everywhere. I want to be the fart machine. Okay, hurry up. Come on out. Which one's purple base? That thing? Awesome. God, I have so much footage. Let's go this way.
Yellow.
Okay, we're clear, we're clear.
We got teammates in there. Yellow's in there.
Yellow's in there. Let's go in.
Yellow, Jake? Jake, are you here?
Yeah, get in here. Get in
Okay.
here. Give me your pistol. All right, go in there and try and make sure.
You're so sad. You want a sword?
No, I want a pistol. Right. That actually shoots.
Here, come over here. Just to bring you out.
Is there anybody yet? You're alive. No, you're not. Pay attention. I banged you right when I walked in, dude. I walked in and I banged their entire bang.
I banged one. I was on the wall.
Bang, just say bang with everyone. You bang, say bang, bang.
Negative. Negative. I spotted you.
Okay, guys, let's set up perimeter. Maybe they have guys out.
Alright, let's get the hell out of here.
Guys, who wants to take another base? To the next one. Do this?
You said if you get off the truck right now, you're fine.
Yeah, we took it. Guys, let's go take another base.
You were off the
Oh, all right. Then you guys are
I didn't tell you to
Willie! Willie!
Let's go take blue. Who cares?
Guys, who wants to go take it?
Let's go.
I know, I saw that.
Dude, you're still alive. Fuck it.
I know I'm alive.
Take
Kaylee
blue.
just said I was alive.
Let's go take them. Guys,
Hey, if you're alive, let's go. Mount up.
fucking go.
Let's get out of here before I start shooting us though.
Come on, guys.
Get behind it.
Keep going, guys. Keep going. Use the truck. Use the truck. Wait, Kaylee, is it time to leave? Are we done?
got 7 minutes. Oh, you fool.
Let's move up.
Keep going, guys. Keep going.
Good man.
Hit. Kevin, did I get you? I got Kevin. Medic! Medic!
okay. I'm just expecting to see it on the YouTube channel. Okay.
This is not going to go well for me at all.